thrilled you're here with us today as we kick off with a big question. Where are we in this grand story of AI? Episode 1 starts right now. That's the burning question, isn't it? These days, AI feels like it's just popped up overnight. But the grand story, though, has been evolving for decades. Now, what was your very first wow moment with AI? The one that just made you stop and think? Please share in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. We've certainly come a long way since the days I was digging into Stuart Russell's classic AI textbook and programming in this quirky language called Lisp. A spark in the mind of Alan Turing, an early pioneer who dared to ask the question, can machines think? To the very coining of the term artificial intelligence, which happened at the very famous Dartmouth conference just a few years later. These pioneers sure set a bold vision. Soon we had machines capable of basic conversation like the Eliza chatbot. And you thought chatbots were a recent thing? Early programs could reason within specific areas, but the goal of a thinking machine was still beyond our grasp. IBM's Deep Blue beat the human world chess champion and my childhood idol, Garry Kasparov. As if to prove a point, then came Watson's stunning Jeopardy victory, where he defeated not just one, but two human world champions in the same day, while the world was understandably stunned. Something much deeper was coming. A seismic shift occurred when deep learning revealed itself, enabling computers to teach themselves how to do complex tasks. A new set of computer models called neural networks were now able to learn the way humans do, to see and recognize images, right up to AlphaGo, mastering the complex game of Go. AI emerged in a new form and time, setting up the technology for today's human-like language. So, that's where we've come from. Incredible journey, right? But the question remains, where exactly are we today? This grand story of AI. More importantly, what does this mean for you, your organization, and our collective future? Let's take a look. Today, AI has entered a new era of foundation models. These are the powerful, versatile brains at AI's core. The biggest leap, especially in the last year or two, has been generative AI. This isn't just about chatbots anymore. We're seeing models that can create stunning images, write compelling code, compose captivating music, generate realistic video, and even design 3D models. Pretty much anything you can imagine, all from simple text prompts. These cutting-edge models are increasingly multimodal, meaning they don't just process text, they understand and create across different formats. Text, images, audio, video, often simultaneously. These powerful models are becoming smaller, more efficient, and much more accessible. We're also seeing the exciting emergence of AI agents, systems designed to make decisions that perform complex, multi-step tasks autonomously, often with little to no humans in the middle. AI applications are exploding everywhere. Businesses are embracing AI like never before, From optimizing supply chains to personalizing customer experiences, co-pilots are everywhere now, with AI assistants integrated directly into our daily software, helping us draft emails, write code, even generate marketing content. In healthcare, AI is making profound impacts, accelerating drug discovery, enhancing diagnostic accuracy, and personalizing care, all while reducing costs and improving access. And of course, AI powers the very recommendation engines we all use daily, while simultaneously disrupting and transforming creative industries by giving artists and designers powerful new tools. Is there an industry that AI is not touching right now? The world is actively grappling with how to govern AI responsibly. We're seeing landmark efforts like the EU AI Act, which seeks to lay the groundwork for a safe, trustworthy future for AI. In the US, a surge of state level laws are seeking to address areas like deepfakes and AI in hiring. As it weaves further into our daily lives, powerful AI needs to be guided to align with humanity's best interests. As many of you highlighted in our recent discussions, the emphasis is firmly on ensuring AI is developed safely, transparently, and ethically, tackling big concerns like bias, privacy, and accountability. This truly is one of the grand challenges of our time. Is your voice being heard? Now that's a quick look at the vast and ever-changing landscape of AI. Its impact is being felt at incredible speed, affecting technology, business, and even policy all at once. Now, how is AI impacting your work right now? Please let us know in the comments below. Pace of innovation is absolutely staggering. What was cutting edge just a year ago is old news today. Every week, there seems to be a major breakthrough. From just this past week, here are three headlines that caught our eye. In a major research breakthrough, Google DeepMind unveiled AlphaGenome, an AI that can analyze millions of DNA sequences with incredible precision. This development in computational biology is a game changer for medical research and could accelerate the discovery of treatments for genetic disorders. On the enterprise and hardware front, NVIDIA unveiled new AI factory solutions in partnership with HPE, aimed at helping businesses and even countries build their own massive AI data centers. It's all part of the race to make powerful AI more accessible and also to power real world automation in things like drug discovery and industrial robotics.
Different than the machinery of the past, and I call it an AI factory.
Finally, on the policy side, New York passed two significant bills. First requires developers of advanced AI models to create safety plans, and the second requires them to disclose the data used to train their models. This highlights how governments are taking concrete steps to ensure AI is developed transparently and ethically, even as the technology moves at lightning speed. Now that we've unpacked the current AI landscape, let's talk about something many of us are feeling: AI anxiety. Is it all just hype, or is AI truly coming for our jobs and our industries? In our next episode of Hola AI, we dive deep into AI anxiety. Hype or real? We'll explore the real impact of automation, skills you'll need, and an entirely new set of opportunities emerging in an AI-powered economy. You won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed today's episode, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It truly helps us reach more curious minds like you. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you again on the next episode of Hola AI.